Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need correct prerequisites: an Apple ID, devices signed in, and Wi-Fi. First, open Settings on your iPhone, tap your name, then iCloud. Turn Messages on, that syncs message data to iCloud. Once done, go to Messages, Send and Receive, and confirm your addresses. On a Mac, open Messages, Preferences, iMessage, and enable iCloud syncing there too. Do this now so messages can start uploading. It avoids duplicate threads and keeps attachments backed up. Once syncing is enabled, manage how messages uses iCloud. Open Settings your name, iCloud, manage storage to see messages usage. Attachments count toward your quota. If storage is tight, upgrade your plan or delete big items. Press and hold a conversation, tap Info, review attachments, and remove large videos or photos. Make sure to enable Optimize iPhone storage for photos to reduce overlap. On Mac OS, click Attachments in Messages to locate and delete locally. This keeps sync fast and avoids stalled uploads. Finish by confirming everything syncs. Send a test iMessage and watch it appear on each device. If messages don't show, sign out of iCloud on the affected device, restart it, then sign back in. This forces re-indexing. Once done, check Settings Messages Send and Receive to ensure correct addresses are checked. If issues persist, restart all devices and consult Apple System Status for outages. Key troubleshooting tip: sign out, reboot, and sign back in. That resolves most stuck syncs quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.